What's up guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the parse error on any Android device without root. So let's get started. So the only app you'll need is APK Editor Pro, and yeah, that's it. So let's get started. So if I access my file manager right now, so I'm gonna download this app, Custom Navigation Bar Pro, but it says parse error. There was a problem while parsing the package. Yeah, so just click OK, and let's just close the file manager right now, and now it's time for APK Editor. So if you open APK Editor Pro right now and click select an APK file, just scroll down, and this is the app you want. And just tell you that the APK Editor Pro will like sort everything in the alphabetical orders, like the alphabetical order. So yeah, and now you should get to this, and I'll just click manifest, and I'll just wait until it's loaded, and perfect. And I'll just type in SDK and search, and I need to follow my steps. Alright, so if we go here, we need to just change this to 14, and on the bottom change it to 22, exactly like this, because then it won't work if you don't change it like this. And I'll click save. Yeah guys, sorry, my voice is a bit croaky, so yeah. And I'll click build, and now just wait, and now it should just build. So and how I got this notification panel, well, just check out my previous videos, they'll tell you everything. And also how I got my pixel launcher, just check out my previous videos, okay? Alright, and I'll just click install, and you should actually get this screen. So that means now you can finally install it, even though it's not support for your device. You can now it's support, so you can just install it. So hit install and just wait until it's installed. Alright, and now it's installed. Now you can just click open or done. I'll just do this and then just go to my home screen, and you can see it's right here, and the application works for us. So yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button. And also, and yeah, and check out my previous videos and stay tuned for more new awesome videos. And of course, click that notification bell to never miss a new video from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.